Welcome to our discussion on electrical engineering in Zambia. If you're interested in pursuing a career in this field or simply want to learn more, then this video is for you. Electrical engineers play a crucial role in designing, developing, and maintaining electrical systems, from power generation, maintenance and distribution, to industrial automation and control. In Zambia, electrical engineers can find employment opportunities in various industries, including mining, power generation and distribution, manufacturing, and government institutions. Some of the top employers of electrical engineers in Zambia include mining companies like KCM, Barrick and FQM, electrical firms like ZESCO and CEC, and various government institutions. So how much can electrical engineers expect to earn in Zambia? That depends on two key factors such as experience and place of work. A recent graduate can have an average monthly salary of around 6,035 kwacha or 75,000 kwacha annually. And for senior electrical engineers, typically with over 10 years experience, salaries can go up to 40,000 kwacha per month. But what does it take to be an electrical engineer in Zambia? Typically, a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or a related field is required. Additionally, relevant work experience, professional certifications, and a strong understanding of electrical systems and technologies are highly valued. Additionally, the job description also plays a significant role in determining salary. For instance, the salary of a section electrical engineer will be different from that of a mine electrical engineer. Furthermore, specialized skills and knowledge in areas like power systems, control systems, and electrical safety can also impact salary. Employers often look for electrical engineers who can design, develop, and implement innovative solutions to complex electrical engineering problems. That's it for today's discussion on electrical engineering in Zambia. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment below.